Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Today we are going to start on small topics, that is a cloud pages. What is cloud pages? Cloud pages generally, you have noticed concept of the landing page, concept of landing page. Today in YouTube lots of video display and after video it asks for register to connect or for some purpose. That's it, forward to the. After the moment you will be click, it will notice to forward to a landing page. From landing page, you need to fill up some information and then they will be collect the data, and from that data then automatically send the message, and next level of even at invitation all of the activities start. Today we are going to familiar with that. Cloud pages, first and foremost things. It is a given name. It's a cloud page given name. My cloud page. We can give any description. This is a cloud page. And now click on it. This is first cloud page. Now you need to add content. Click on add content and first is a landing page. First is a landing page. Click next. There is a different format. It's a blank layout. Basic row, it is a 3 different layout. Basic 3 row, basic 2 column sidebar, left sidebar. Basic 3 column, multi 2 row column. These are the different concept of the landing page. Select. This is the landing page. Now in this page there is a 2 view. It's a part of the section here, block section, content section. This is a layout section, design section 3, view section. This is the code view section. It will be side. It is a landing page. This is the default code it has generated inside. This is the different code. Any content. Block section. Suppose you want to add any text. You can go give a text. You can give a name. This is registration page. This is registration. Registration form. I'm sending it here. We need. You can change the font size. This is a registration form. We want to add one section. This is the button. If we want to add any button, if we want to code snippet freeform HTML image block, we can push an image here. These are all options are here. Suppose you want to give one section called SmartCapture. Button. This is done. You can push button here. This is a button. If it is a button, you can give the name. Click. Click code registration. You can give the name. Any text styling you can change. It's capture section. 1. This is the section. We can add more blocks. You can add my registration form. Registration form. This is a form name. And by default, these are the section. You can add here. Last, past name. These are values are coming from profile. This is from profile. These are the forms. But if we want to add from another section, that is, it is from cloud, page data extension, and this is the, we can get our own data extension. We have used our own data extension. Let us select here, data extension. This is the data extension. We want to select this data path. Gets suppose country. Suppose this country field. Suppose it is a default. Suppose India. We want to add hidden attribute. We want to suppose country. Country value. We can give it value. Customer. These are the value we are expecting. Down everything. Now this field. Form field. This is field. Data validation. Not any estimate editor. Name field. Data validation, we can align center. Let me check whether we can do align from code editor or we can do. These are the fields I want to keep in middle. This will go to name input field. And check whether it's work or not. Anywhere it is. It may be have specific align center. Align center. Nemos. Similar day, you can change this field. All field you can change. Or we can use any special CSS also, which can also work directly. Let we align center. This is the editor. You can give here next date of birth. This is the now we have designed the field. Now you can click on save. Click on save. Save it. Schedule and publish. Schedule and publish. Suppose this is a landing page. This is desktop and mobile. This is a publish immediately. This page has been published. Landing page has been published. It has created a URL. It has created a URL. This you can copy to outside. Anybody can access it. Any can access it. Here we are giving some help. We are giving some value. Before that, we can check our data extension. We have used our data extension. Let us check here. Image Studio. subscribe, data extension, data extension, this is a data extension. Here we have used this data extension. Check the records. There is a 3 records are here. Now we are filling the form here. Suppose I am giving it has been. Thank you for registration. Let us check now. Go to here. Just notice here whether it has registered data list. Please simply here or not. Record. We have add this record from landing page. When it user will get the landing page, they will fill up and the data will be. Come to our data extension. It will come to data access. It will be. Data will be collected. First we need to collect the data. Contact will be the task. Then it is this contact you have, but it is not. It is not a subscriber. Moment. Whenever any landing page, you will be sent register. Then your data first they collect. Then mail will be sent. And all automation we can do. Those are the things. It will be happen. The first task is that. This is cloud basis task. We have to collect the data to data extension. Moment you get data with you, then you can do the many things. You can do it. There is automation. Also this automation section will do all this. Suppose part what are the data will come. You can send the mail. It can do other automation things. But data is required. Data collection is required. It is a data is collected from cloud basis. These data sources from cloud basis. Thank you. Now these data, you can do more changes, more modification. This is the data bar field. File types are displayed. Kaida, this is the data bar field. Then you are using the filter or the filter of the first data. Now, next time it will be data to take as a DMAO. We are changing the format. The Now then you can save. Now we want to do, this is the add content we have done. Now we want to do different type of content like code, resource. Suppose this form I want to do more effective. Suppose I want to give more JavaScript validation also, though all of the fields will be validation using JavaScript. I want to use the more styling using CSS. And JN data it is RSS. This is not at this level required. I want to add some more resources and we can combine also. Suppose I am creating CSS. This is a CSS page. The CSS can background color. What is that background color? I do not know whether it will work or not. Purpose is that suppose this is the one CSS file. Click and save. Now this is an external file you want to add. Let me check. Sorry, this is my case. I have not changed. It is a background has been changed. Page background has been changed. How we do? We have done here. We have created another cloud pages. S. Generally CSS done by, it is a dedicated web designer. We developer do not touch on that web designer because they are specialists. We can do some small changes, but that is the reason. This is common style. CSS should be an external file. I have created another cloud, which is that page for CSS purpose. I have kept here and then digit. Both are working as an integrated way. Next, suppose I want to do. These are the place has some validation, specific kind of validations. I want to report when user is given the input data. I want to check some valid name should not be here. It is a star means it is a mandatory thing. But this term means if you give the character, if you give the number, everything will be special character it will take. But that should be restricted. That should be restricted. How we do? We should write a proper JavaScript also for that purpose. We can write a JavaScript to protect it is a, it should not be invalid character, invalid value. Suppose mobile number. You want to protect the mobile number. Now if you give the any value, it will text because data type is a text. You pretend but you want to. Oh, you can do it external for that purpose. What you need to do? Herein, we want to do more validation also. What we need to do click and save. Now go to add content. You want to go code resource you want to create. You want to get code resource you want to create. Suppose JavaScript file, JavaScript file. Generally, this JavaScript file in the JavaScript file. You want to keep all of your JavaScript here. This is your JavaScript section where we can add all JavaScript code here and we can do for validation. It is we are getting keeping all functions here and that is at the moment I will be. Click the mobile, it will call the functions and then it will be check the validation and it will be validated whether it is a valid number or not. This is the way we can use. It is a separate file. Next we want to learn another things here. Suppose it is a microset. Microset, what is it? What it is generally, if you notice any website or what are the general format, header, footer, body, all different napper section. Generally though it is looking a single page, but ultimate it is a single, it is a multiple small spaces here. It is single page. That's that. We can do that experiment using microset. Can you suppose it is a header page? I have not experimented, but you can do header page. Add page. For that reason, we need to click by. It is a header page, which is a main page. You can add content, add page. Add content. This is content. Suppose this section. Here, go to keyword, go to text. This done it. Now back. This is all updated. On should and drag and drop should happen anyway. Suppose I want to create another section is in name bar section. Let's suppose I want to. It is another section here. Here you can do a special design, but here you can add some content. This is bar section. This is on small. This is also a small piece. It is a part of it. Main page, but it is another section. Connected header name bar, you can do much more customization also. Next, you want to add, suppose because you put that, you hit up with all R, it is a whole business are connected. This you want to add. This is all in, that is good. Now I want to view sitemap. It is your sitemap. Site. Site. This is a microset. Any standard company already said there is a sitemap. It is a one kind of sitemap, schedule and publish. Header section. Now it is created. What is the publish button? You can schedule. Publish letter. You can schedule the particular date, which time it will publish. Publish. But I'm not getting any button here. Publish button. On title page. She did publish. This is published. Now all section published. Now we can, this is the URL. It is also published. This is the number section. All sections should be published. Need to do some experiment. Generally, this is created for microset for sitemap creation. Every website there is a sitemap section. Anyway, we can do much more. Some experiment. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.